Hello YouTube. Welcome to our new video with the write-up of NeverLAN CTF SQL Breakers, both 1 and 2. Let's get started. Starting with basic payload. But as you can see, it didn't work. This comment tells us that we are using correct username, because this username is most common while performing SQL injection. But we have made some syntax error in our payload. The code that we will type here will be converted to string after submitting. So to avoid that, we will add a double quote before and then our code 1 equals 1, which will always remain true. This will help us to bypass our username. Now that we don't know correct password, we will not be allowed to log in. So to bypass password, we have to remember this SQL code. And by looking at that code, we can simply comment rest of the code after 1 equals 1 by adding either hashtag sign or 2 dash and a single space after the code to bypass password. Sorry, my bad, it was single quotation sign. Congratulations, we are now admin of this site. And here is our flag for SQL Breaker. Coming up with next challenge, SQL Breaker 2. Get ready. This comment code tells that the default user, admin, is removed. That means if we use previous challenge payload, then instead of login as admin, we will log as some other user. And the user here is John. As I said, the flag will only be given to admin, not to John. Even now we will use previous payload, but this time we will add admin before single quote as said in John's profile. Still we didn't get our flag, too bad. Now think in this way, that there is an admin account who has different credentials than John, and there is even John's account. That means there must be 2 rows. To shuffle between rows, we use limit operator. I forget offset as well. This picture will clearly explain how to use limit and offset clause. Here we are now an admin again. And we got our flag.